Hello my dear ones, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 2nd. Okay, and we are in chapter, that is chapter number 3rd, subtraction. And in that exercise 3.3 question number 1, that is subtraction, and you have to cross check whether your answer is right or wrong. That type of question we already discussed in our previous lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss the question number 2nd and onwards. So are you ready, beta? Okay, let's start the lecture. Question number 2nd. See the second question. Udit has 24 books. 24 books. How many books Udit has 24 books, and Akshit has 6 books. 6 books. Who has more number of books and by how many? So read the question one more time. Udit has 24 books. Udit has 24 books and Akshit has 6 books. Okay, so from the question it is clear that who has more number of books? Obviously Udit has more number of books, that is Udit has 24 books and Akshit has 6 books. So but by how much? So what you have to do? You have to find the difference between these two numbers. So how we find the difference? By subtracting a smaller number from the greater number. Okay, see the solution. Number of books Udit has number of books equals to 24 and Akshit has number of books equals to 6. Now what you have to do? You have to find the difference. How we find the difference? By subtracting the numbers. Okay, now see here, we can't subtract 6 from 4, so we have to borrow the 110 from the next number. Here it become 1 and here it become 14. Now you have to subtract 6 from 14. Here it is 8 and 1 minus 0, that is 1. And how much? So see here, Udit has 18 more books than Akshit. This is the conclusion. Means who has the more books? Udit has the more books. By how many? 18 more books that Udit has than Akshit. Okay, see the next one, the next question, that is question number 3rd. See the question number 3rd. There are 41 students in class 2nd A and 35 students in class 2B. Which class has more number of students? Has more number of students. Next, how many more students are there in the class? Both the question are of same category, same type. So see the question. First read the question one more time. There are 41 students. How many students? 41 students in class 2nd A and 35 students in class 2nd B. Which class has more number of students? Obviously class 2nd A has the more number of students. How many more students are there in the class? So you have to find the difference between students of both the class. Okay, so see the solution. Students in class 2nd A equals to 41. Students in class 2nd B, that is 35. Difference equals to, what you have to do? You have to find by subtraction. You have to find the difference between the student of both the classes. Okay, suppose 5 we can't subtract from 1, so you have to borrow 110 from the next number. Here it become 3 and here it become 11. Now you have to subtract 5 from 11. What's the result? That is 6. Okay, then 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay, so in class 2nd A has 6 more students than class 2nd B. By how many more students are there in the class? 6 more students. Class 2nd A has 6 more students than class 2nd B. Which class having more students? 2nd A. By how much? 6. Okay, by how many? 6. 6 more students are there in the class 2nd A. Okay, see the question number, that is 4th. See the 4th question. Question number 4th. Richa has 20 toffees. Uma has 35 toffees. Who has more number of toffees? And by how many? So these type of questions we already discussed. See here, Richa has 20 toffees. Okay, now and Uma has the 35 toffees. Who has more number of toffees? So obviously Uma has more toffees than Richa, and by how many? So what you have to do? You have to find the difference. Okay, so see the question. Number of toffees number of toffees, Uma has 35. Number of toffees, Richa has, that is 20. Okay, so how you find the difference? By subtracting a smaller number from the greater number. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find the difference. How we find the difference? By subtracting the numbers. Okay, now subtract 5 minus 0, that is 5, and 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, so what you have right here? Conclusion: Uma has 15 more toffees than Richa. Okay, like this you have to solve the question. Okay, so next question, that is 5th and 6th, we will discuss in our next lecture. You have to solve these questions 2 to 3 times. Okay, and still if you are having any type of doubt, then you can contact us. Okay, beta, thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.